Hey yo, Nico, this one go hard.
Yeah. Look, we just wanna be free. Keep it silent like they chrome. It's crazy. They put money on here.
What's going on, y'all? It's another day and another opportunity. So right now, I'm about to start working on. Well, I need to get myself together first of all. I gotta come up with a plan for today. I know for sure I gotta come up with a plan or a design for these. What did I just get? Yeah, I got some blazers from the Nike store yesterday, and I'm debating on going back and get another pair because they were only $40, and it was a good size. So you know, size 10.5. If y'all ever wondering like what sizes are the best to like customize to sell, well, man, maybe I'll do a video on there, a quick video. Yeah, that's what I do. I'll do a quick video on there. The best sizes to sell. But boom, here we go right here. I gotta come up with some. I honestly got a couple designs in mind for these. One of them I want to go ahead and do like my bandana thing, and then the other one I was thinking of a dip dye. I don't know, with the rope lace. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to see which one is going to work the best. But along with that, I gotta finish these up. Gonna throw the ropes in here. Take pictures, post some stuff on my card, post some stuff on eBay, do an Instagram post, TikTok, all that. And I have another Whatnot live tonight. Yeah, I'm telling you, the grind is real, man. But hey, if this is what you want to do, this is what you gotta do. You feel what I'm saying? So y'all follow me again today. Saturday, y'all. Finna go pick up these shoes for some orders. Gonna knock out some orders today. Just got some simple little rope lace designs. Not even design, just rope lace replacement of the regular laces and stuff like that. So I gotta get the shoes for that, and then gotta gotta get some hats done, all kinds of other stuff, as well as other shoes for Whatnot live tomorrow and beyond, and the sneaker event on November 12th. So and then I got Lil Stank with me. Lil Stank. Stank. Look at her, y'all. She finally came up out her room. Finally. My bad, y'all. I forgot to take y'all along with this one. But yeah, this is one of both of the pairs that we picked up. So all it is just a little simple rope lace design on these. You know what I'm saying? So about to I gotta cut off the ends. Let's see if I can focus. Gotta cut off the ends is where I put the shrink tubing thing or whatever. But I gotta cut out the ends and then box them up, get them sent out. Got all of them complete. Cut the little end off. Now it's time to pack them things up, you feel me?
The hoes love it.
Yeah. Consequences, repercussions. You know I can't fall for these hoes. Change the subject. I know if I fall, I be bound to break some. I grew up on high side, had to learn to shake some. I just wanna buy, give them money steady come. I don't wanna talk about petty money. You gone when it's a job, then try come back around me. I show my ins and outs of your choice to look at me funny. Yeah, speaking mood, had to keep my cool. Who is you? Why me raid the roof? Why me blade the boot? I can't pass it up, I can't laugh enough. Gotta add it up, I ain't had enough. I don't ask for much, so misunderstood. Can't leave the hood, it treat me too good. Roll up the wood, we get active, ain't no wishing we could. We gon' be good. Make sure I did the best I could, is understood. Can't fight for you hoes, you wish I would. I took the back seat. Low key, if you ask me, some shit I ain't see. Got back on the main street, they tried to frame me. I catch them on the back street, them boys I ain't see. I hear them coming tough as hell, could've fooled me. If you think I'm a player, fair, why call a referee? You think you slicker than a snail till you under my feet. I see his snakes everywhere trying to come bite me. I see his 12 everywhere wanna indict me. Consequences. about no petty money. You going is a job, then try come back around me. I show my ins and outs, it's your choice to look at me funny. Show my ins and outs, show you what I'm about. Don't try to play me now.
Look at this thing working, y'all. This thing. What's happening, y'all? So it's the next day. Yesterday was a very successful work day. I still got a lot to do today. I ended up not even doing my whatnot live because I had so much to do. But I got some good stuff done, man. I don't even know how many hats I got done. And then I got a few pair of shoes done. Actually, to show y'all one right now. These are the new joints I just worked on yesterday. I gotta fix this little burn part I got down there. But yeah, man, this is something I had in my head. Like I tell y'all, man, just get it out your head and in reality. So I had to go ahead to get these done, man. Feel like it is some things that I could do better, but it's okay, man. Still, I got these shoes for a pretty good deal. I think I paid like $70 at Nike. So size 9, if y'all interested, or if they still available by the time this video posts. But yeah, man. And on top of that, I'm working on more hats. But this one gonna be a little different. We're gonna go with the little, you know. Man, my bag. Well, not really my bag. Hold on, this is a little dang. But yeah, man. Dang, let me find a good light. There we go. Okay. Sorry, man. I just dropped off a pair of cleats, custom cleats. I had to drop that off. I ain't even like get y'all some shots of them, but I had to go and drop them off. I'll pop some pictures of all that kind of stuff. But I got some. I showed y'all the hats. I think I showed y'all the hats yesterday. I don't know, man. I don't know. But this is the new one we just did. Oh, snap dark in the motor scooter. But yeah, this is no good. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already seen the forces that I just did. Okay, and we also did knocked out a Juice WRLD hoodie and a Young Dolph hoodie. You know what I'm saying? RP to Memphis legend. You feel what I'm talking about? But I don't know. I got a lot going on right now, y'all. So trying to we got to do this whatnot live as well. Man, it's a lot going on. But we finna get to this chicken, man. I guess I'll show y'all some other things along the way, man. So right now, what we working on, we about to start back on these Freddy Krueger dunks, as well as the ones. Gonna get these done. Gotta get these done before, you know, it's time. You know, October about to end. Well, I ain't gonna say it's about to end, but you know, let's get it, man. Okay, right now we are multitasking. So right now I'm working on some dip dyes. We're gonna do 2 pair of dip dyes real quick. Try to get some used shoes, lower price stuff, you know, to sell and all of that good stuff. Working with aqua today. I know it's kind of bright. We're working with aqua right now. Then after I pour this in there, I'm gonna go back and press a shirt. It's a LeBron t-shirt, little vintage vibes or whatever. So I'm going ahead and do that, and I'll show y'all. All right, so we got them in now. Now let's go do this t-shirt. So I just took the film off, and this is how we looking, y'all. Nice and vibrant. That look good right there. Oh wait, if you want one of these
go ahead and just DM me, man. Cadet underscore B7, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So, we got a lot done, man. A whole lot done. So, I guess I'm going to show y'all that. Finna go and wrap this video up and then get to the next one. You know what I'm saying? So, we got 2 pairs of these right here. You know, if y'all want a pair, you know, you can hit me out, DM me, you know what I mean? Then we got, I don't know if I even showed these. I ain't even say nothing about these right here. I'm not finished with them, but I'm gonna add some more to them, but just showing y'all these real quick. Then also, I don't know if I showed y'all the burgundy ones. I don't know if I did. Maybe I have already. I think I did. Also got this new rug. Just did this one. This thing so crazy, in my opinion. Okay. And then of course y'all know we got done with a stupid amount of hats. But with that being said, man, I appreciate y'all watching. Hold on. I forgot to show y'all the hoodies. Hold on. First of all, Duck Walking University, you know what I'm saying? It's what we, you know, you duck on the hood and stuff like that. Here we go, man. Y'all know who it is. It's Dolph! Peace to the legend, man. Dang, hold on. I'm trying. Got the young Dolph in a little hieroglyphic type of vinyl on the sleeve. Then we hit them fold with the jewel word, John. Yes, got the splicker splacker on that thing. You know, yeah. But like I was saying, man, I appreciate y'all watching. You know what I'm saying? If you want to, you can follow me on Instagram, cadet_B7, all that good stuff, man. You know what I mean? You want some work done, hit your boy, you know what I mean? And, I forgot one more time, bro. My bad. This is the last pair. I think. Yeah, it's the last pair. These the Blazers, man. Stupid. You know you. But now, okay. Now we finna get up out of it, alright? So, like I said, follow me on Instagram, cadet_B7. Make sure you like the video. And come on, Cam. And subscribe. Join the squad, you hear me? Catch y'all in the next one. You know, yeah.